So this one finished last week.
Yeah.
Kadapi yuvatim bhikshurna sprishe daravim api darumayim sprishan kariva badhyeta karinya angasangatah. Agree. आदिगच्छेत् स्त्रियं प्राज्ञः कर्रिचन् मृत्युमात्मनः बलादिकैः स हन्येत गजैरन्यैर्गजो यथा किं भवति पदच्छेदनं न अधिगच्छेत् स्त्रियं प्राज्ञः कर्रिचित् मृत्युम् आत्मनः बलाधिकैः सह अन्येत गजैः अन्यैः गजः यथा. I think the अर्थ सुलभः. किं भवति? प्राज्ञः स्त्रियं न अधिगच्छेत इति मूलवाक्यमस्ति. प्राज्ञः यः प्राज्ञः means
विद्वान्, learned.
Learned. So this is the Sanskrit style, right? Prajñah, how do you तत्र उपसर्गः कः अस्ति?
प्रकर्षेण ज्ञातं.
प्र प्लस
ज
प्र प्लस न्य. How it become pra? Prajñah bhavet.
अज्ञः.
प्रकर्षेण अज्ञः. इति भवितुमर्हति. So in some context somewhere elsewhere that could also mean prakarshena ajñah. But atra pra plus a can also say a, right? A plus jñah. Adhikyena, a stands for adhikyam. Prakarshena api asti, adhikyena api asti, jñah. Atyanta jnani iti saha. So normally we use it for like a jnani iti. Prakarshena jnayate iti. Janati iti prajñah.
प्रकर्षेण इत्युक्ते किम्?
प्रकर्षेण इत्युक्ते सम्यक्, बहु सम्यक्. स्त्रियं न अधिगच्छेत. स्त्रियम् इत्युक्ते स्त्रियं प्रति न गच्छेत्, स्त्रीसङ्गं न कुर्यात्. कर्रिचित् मृत्युम् आत्मनः बलादिके सहन्येत. कर्रिचित् मृत्युम् आत्मनः, आत्मनः मृत्युं स्त्रियम् इति. कर्रिचित् इत्युक्ते कदाचित् अपि, कदापि. आत्मनः मृत्युं, स्वस्य मृत्युं, मृत्युसदृशी स्त्री अस्ति. स्त्रीसङ्गं, स्त्री तु वस्तुतः स्त्री इति न. स्त्रीसङ्गम् इति विषय भोगः, विषयाकर्षणं मृत्युसदृशं भवति इति कारणात् कर्यचित् प्राज्ञः तस्य सङ्गं तस्य प्रति न गच्छेत्. कथं तस्य का गतिः भवति? अत्र अस्ति. का गतिः भवति तस्य?
with force if you do,
कानि
then
पदानि सन्ति पदानि look at the words
balat adikehi, with more force.
बलादिकैः more force will come later but you will have to अन्वय करणीयः what is the what is the vibhakti vachana lingam, what are the other words with the same vachana lingam, look at this and then
तृतीया बहुवचन
tritiya bahuvachanam. Is there any other word with tritiya bahuvachanam?
आम् गजैः अन्यैः
Gajaihi Anyaihi. So they are all together here. Anyaihi Gajaihi Baladikaihi. Gajaihi iti padam asti. तस्य विशेषण पदे अन्यैः तथा बलाधिकैः बलाधिकैः अन्यैः गजैः तो अन्यैः अन्ये गजाः बलवत्तराः सन्ति so they are more powerful the other elephants. Then what happens? Gajah yatha gajah sah gajah hanyeta. Hanyeta means
Maryatum. Maritva. Maryati.
तस्य वधः भवति इति वधः अथवा मरणम् अथवा मारणं भवति यदि यथा कदाचित् एकः गजः कश्चित् गजः तस्य करिणी भवति करिणी स्त्री गज करिणी तस्य सङ्गं कदा करोति तदा अन्यैः गजैः हन्येत तस्य मरणं भवेत् बलाधिकैः अन्यैः गजैः अन्ये गजाः तं मारयन्ति किमर्थं
some other gajah maranam karoti.
किमर्थं मारयन्ति because
if he wants, if some gaja wants to have a contact with Madi gaja.
Contest. So now yatha the main or this gaja is going to die because of the akarshana of the karini tathaiva prajna api mrityum prapnoti yada विषयभोगासक्तिः भवति तस्य अपि so he also
this I could not understand. Prajna means learned person.
Learned person
should not get attracted towards the tree, otherwise he gets he will die himself.
He will attain death. Yes, correct. He will attain death. Similar to just like elephant also dies when interested in other the female elephants, and then the other elephants they are going to kill it. Means that interest becomes its cause of death. नदेयं नोपभोग्यं न च लब्धैः यद्दुःखसञ्चितं भुङ्क्ते तदपि तच्चान्यो मधुहेवार्थविन्मधु न देयं न उपभोग्यं च लुब्धैः यत् दुःखसञ्चितं भुङ्क्ते तत् अपि तत् च अन्यः मधुहा इव अर्थवित् मधु मधुहा इव मधुहा इव अर्थवत् मधु न देयं न देयम् इत्युक्ते दानं न करणीयं न उपभोग्यं तस्य उपभोगाय अपि न प्रयोजनं दानाय अपि न प्रयोजनं स्वस्य उपभोगाय अपि न प्रयोजनं भोगाय अपि
If collects and he doesn't give and he himself also doesn't consume, then he will be having the sanchita dukkha.
It is not useful to give away also, it is not useful to enjoy also.
Yeah.
लुब्धैः यत् दुःखसञ्चितं भुङ्क्ते तत् अपि तच्च अन्यो तत् च अन्यः मधुः इव अर्थवत् मधु अत्र गुरुः कः अस्ति शिक्षणं कस्मात् शिक्षणं भवति अत्र शिक्षा मधुः मधुः मधु अपहरति इति मधुः मधु अपहरति मधु इत्युक्ते हनी one who takes away honey is a madhuva because one who goes into the forest captures all the madhu honey destroys the honey comb and then gets all the honey so he is just stealing the money the honey from the honeycomb so all the madhu or honey is collected by the bees but what the bees are not going to enjoy it and it is
They only make a sanchaya.
Taken away by others so sanchaya na karaniya lubdhaihi what is lubdha
How to make anvay bhunte tadapi tatcha anyo madhu
न देयं न उपभोग्यं च लुब्धैः यद् दुःखसञ्चितं लुब्ध मीन्स् लोभी जनाः
tatcha na deyam na upabhogyam
यत् दुःखसञ्चितं दुःखात् कष्टेन सञ्चितं भवति सञ्चयं कुर्वन्ति धनसञ्चयं कुर्वन्ति सम्पत्सञ्चयं कुर्वन्ति दुःखात् कष्टेन कुर्वन्ति परन्तु तत् दानाय अपि न प्रयोजनं भोगाय अपि न प्रयोजनं तदपि तच्च अन्य एव अन्य कश्चिदेव भुङ्क्ते तस्य भोगं करोति मधुः इव अर्थवित् मधुः अर्थवित् मधु अर्थविन् मधु अर्थवित् मधु मधुः इव अर्थवित् मधु
arthavit madhu
अर्थवित्
how it we should translate artha with madhu artha with
what is अर्थवित्
idrisham
अर्थ समान अर्थ अर्थ
अर्थवत् न अर्थवित्
अर्थवित्
tathaiva like tathaiva
किं भवति
tathaiva arthavit
no artha means what like
artha is money money arthavit means valuable arth money
Prarthayati means it is not always money. Why is the money called artha?
It has some value or meaning. Meaning
Also is something that we desire. Even the meaning we desire from pada, right? That is why it is called artha. That we seek, something we seek. So from the words, if there is a word, we seek the meaning. That is why it's called artha. So even anything that we seek is called artha. Like a prarthayati, something we seek. And dhanam also is called artha because we seek it.
Yeah. So how we will explain artha with madhu? Desirous of madha?
The one looking for money or wealth that is gathered by somebody else. Am I right, Mahodaya?
Yes, yeah. The one who is
with to know, I mean to know, who knows his purpose.
No, someone who is looking for, he is seeking for wealth that is gathered by somebody else. Somebody else gathered money, but someone else other than him is looking for this wealth. He is like a robber.
Yeah. One who knows there is a madhu, there is a artha sanchaya asti. If somebody knows, like the madhuha, when he is arthavit means arthavit madhu kutra asti iti jnatva tat aparati sa madhu aparati iti tathaiva yada कश्चित् जानाति कुत्र अत्र धनसञ्चयः अस्ति अथवा किमपि सम्पत्तिः अस्ति अत्र तद्धनं सर्वम् अपहरति
चोरः
लुब्धैः अपहरति लुब्धैः और the चोराः और राजानः somebody will take care. Anyway, there will be loss, so better not to collect more than required. So,
aparigraha.
Aparigraha.
There is one Niti Shataka slokam also, dhanam voho, something like that.
Dhanam bhogo nashastasro gatayo bhavanti vittasya yo na dadati na bhunkte tasya tritiya gatir bhavati. Dhanam bhogah nashah iti gatayah tisrah gatayah. Three states are there of sampat.
Dhanyavada Mahodaya, nice.
Dana, bhoga, nasha. So either you give it away by yourself or enjoy it, otherwise it will meet the third fate with the last nasha. Agre
धनस्य तिस्रः गतयः खलु दानं भोगं वा नाशम्
दानं भोगः नाशः Agre, anybody want to read this one? Shloka.
सुदुःखोपार्जितैर्वित्तैः आशासानां गृहाशिषः मधुहेवाग्रतो भुङ्क्ते यतिर्वै गृहमेधिनाम्. So सुदुःखोपार्जितैः वित्तैः आशासानां गृहाशिषः मधुहेवाग्रतो भुङ्क्ते यतिर्वै गृहमेधिनाम्.
इदानीम् अस्ति अत्र
सुदुःखः उपार्जितैः वित्तैः आशासानां गृहाशिषः मधुः एव अग्रतो मधुः इव अग्रतो भुङ्क्ते यतिः वैः गृहमेधिनाम्.
गृहमेधिनाम्. So here generally we all understand each word's meaning here, right? But overall meaning is not that straightforward here. Sudukhoparjitaihi, that we know, means dukkhoparjitaihi, dukkhena uparjitaihi, dukkhena arjitaihi, dukkhena praptaihi. Arjita means prapt, right? Earned. Sudukha means bahu dukha, bahu kashtena praptaihi, vittaihi, dhanaihi, bahu kashtena उपार्जितैः प्राप्तैः धनैः आशासानां गृहाशिषः. आशासानां ये आशां कुर्वन्ति, आशासानां गृहाशिषः. गृहाशिषः षष्ठी विभक्ति अस्ति. गृहाशिषः और गृहाशिषः could be प्रथमा व्यक्ति बहुवचन also. गृहाशिषः अत्र गृहाः इति अस्ति. so हम इति पदं प्रायेण सर्वत्र लभ्यते, परन्तु गृहाः, do anybody remember this gruha shabda has come in the previous shlokas also many times. Gruhaha means गृहमेव गृहाः इत्येव अर्थः. but this gruha generally used always in the bahuvachana, nitya bahuvachanam. यथा दाराः इति अस्ति, right? दाराः, दाराः means
पत्नी.
पत्नी nitya bahuvachanam. तथैव गृहाः अपि also means गृहं, but गृहम् always गृहं means without गृहिणी गृहं नास्ति. गृहाः also means गृहिणी.
गृहिणी
बहुवचने अस्ति गृहाः, बिकास् यदा गृहिणी अस्ति गृहं सम्यक् भवति. so all the बान्धवाः परिवारजनाः अपि तत्र आगच्छन्ति. तदैव गृहं दीर्घ गृहिणी अस्ति कारणात् एव गृहे जनाः आगच्छन्ति, अतिथयः आगच्छन्ति, अतिथिसत्कारोऽपि भवति, यागयज्ञः अपि भवति. इति कारणात् एव गृहाः इत्युच्यन्ते. जनाः भवन्ति गृहिणी कारणात्. गृहाः गृहम् उत्तमगृहं, सम्यक् गृहं. तत्र गृहाशिषः गृहाः इत्युक्ते संसार इति. संसारे आसक्ताः येषां जनानां सुखदुःखोपार्जितैः वित्तैः किं भवति, गृहाशिषः तेषां मधुः इव अग्रतः भुङ्क्ते. मधुः इव, मधुः कः पुनः, द one who takes away the honey. मधुः मधु अपहरति इति. अग्रतः भुङ्क्ते. अग्रतः इत्युक्ते अग्रे, अग्रे in the beginning. Agre bhutva yatihi bhunkte. Yatihi bhojanam karoti. Swikaroti. Gruhamedhinam gruhashashah swikaroti. Gruhamedhinam. What is gruhamedhinam? Gruhamedhi. Yes. So this word came in like a few shlokas before, in the Kapoti story.
This is Shashti Vibhakti?
Shashti Bhavachanam. Gruhamedhin iti shabda, like vidyarthi. Gruhamedhinam. Gruhamedhinam atrapi gruhaha. Gruhan e अतः गृहाः मेध्यन्ते अनेन इति गृहमेधि मेधि इत्युक्ते बहु तत्र आसक्तिः अस्ति इति गृहमेधि संसारे बहु आसक्तिः अस्ति इति तत्र पुनः गृहाः इत्येव पदं भवति गृहाः इत्युक्ते दाराः दारेषु अथवा पत्न्यौ तस्य आसक्ति बहु अस्ति इति कृत्वा गृहमेधि संसारे बहु आसक्ति अस्ति तस्य इति गृहमेधि गृहमेधिनां गृहाश्रयः गृहाश्रयः इत्युक्ते गृहे या सम्पत्तिः अस्ति
दारेषु च उत्तरेषु
दारासु दारेषु करेक्ट्
दारेषु च उत्तरेषु
पुत्रेषु तस्य आसक्तिः इत्युक्ते सामान्यतः संसारे आसक्तिः बहु अस्ति तेषां गृहाश्रयः यतिः वै केवल वै मीन्स् इट्स् अव्ययम् it's निश्चयेन certainly
positively
positively निश्चयेन generally why is used for निश्चयेन यतिः यः यतिः अस्ति सन्यासी अस्ति what he does like संसारे आसक्ताः जनाः किं कुर्वन्ति बहु कष्टेन उपार्जनं कुर्वन्ति धनार्जनं कुर्वन्ति so yati sannyasi what he does madhva iva like it's a bee, it's like a honey, like when they collect it is honey, but yati is a kind of his duty to make them aware of the samsara what making them aware of the things which are not good about samsara. So he goes samsara dukkha, he goes and takes away or eats means takes away the their sanchaya. How? By going to their houses and by bhikshartham or te kimapi atithi satkaram kurvanti. By that way he absorbs or takes away those sanchaya as possible and then makes them aware of this samsara dukkha. That is
not correctly understood. Yati, in what fashion he makes them aware?
So the one who are immersed in this samsara and they are busy in collecting all the dhana etc because of being in the samsara, right? They generally do not want to use their earnings into dharmika karya or good purposes. In those cases the yati he goes to them, and like the madhuha, like a beekeeper takes away the bee, like that he also takes away their collection. That is the general meaning here.
That means by donation or by aid like this.
Yeah, but a donation or by making them to do like certain yajna or dharmika karya, forcing them to do dharmika karya. Otherwise, good people.
Very difficult to understand it.
Yeah.
This.
Otherwise, the dharmika janaah ye dharmapara janaah dharmacharanam ye kurvanti. They generally do the whatever the uparjanam bhavati arjanam bhavati. They generally tasya viniyogam kurvanti dharmika karyeshu eva.
And normally dharmic karya is such a wealthy person, they do to earn with the intention to get more and more. Is it?
What is that?
The people do dharmic karya for some keen desire to get more.
More and more, correct.
They make some investment to get more. The investment is by giving dakshina, it is an investment, and they think that they will get more.
Right.
But internal meaning is very difficult to get with this such a thing.
Yes. Okay. The next one is simple, I think. Okay. Anybody want to read this one?
I will just read, but I don't know how much annoy I can do. Gramya Geetam na shruniyad jati vanachah charah kvachit shikshet harina baddha mrugayo gihi tamohitat. Gramya Geetam na shruniyat अतिः वनचरः क्वचित् शिक्षेत् हरिणात् बद्धान् मृगः योगिः तमोहितात्.
गीतमोहितात्. ग्राम्य गीतं न शृणुयात् यतिः वनचरः क्वचित् शिक्षेत हरिणात् बद्धात् मृगयोः गीतमोहितात्.
करेक्ट.
तत्र किं पदानि सन्ति? ग्राम्यगीतं मीन्स् वाट्?
लोकगीतः.
लोकगीत. Like they are not शास्त्रगीतानि न सन्ति.
They do not understand vanachara.
No, they understand. न शृणुयात् इति. यतिः वनचरः यः अस्ति, वनचरः यतिः, वनेचरः यतिः वनचरः भवति, वने सञ्चरति यतिः. Generally yati they don't live or dwell in the cities, or they generally stay outside of the cities, mostly in the forest area. Only for the bhikshartam tatra agachanti kadachat dinam. Kvachit idu kadachat api vanachara yatihi na shrunuyat gramya geetam na shrunuyat tasya shravanam na kuryat. Gramya geetasya shravanam na kuryat.
Because they do not reside in Grama?
No, Gramya means this शास्त्रपरं नास्ति. Gramya means there is like movie songs, loka sangeet, whatever, which are again pralobhanartham bhavanti te, pralobhanaya. Again vishaya bhogaya pralobhanam tasya manah chanchalam bhavati iti, by listening to such songs or padyani. Always listen about spiritual things.
Spiritual shlokas and mantras.
Even Gita also, like Bhagavad Gita, Uddhava Gita, or Gramya Gita. यथा अत्र गुरुः अस्ति हरिणात् बद्धात् मृगयोः गीतमोहितात् शिक्षेत इत्युक्ते शिक्षां विन्देत. One should learn from this. What? हरिणात् बद्धात्, हरिणः बन्धने पतति, मृगयोः इत्युक्ते मृगया means hunting. हरिणात् बद्धात् गीतमोहितात् मृगयोः, कस्मात् मृगयोः, मृगया कारणात्, for the purpose of hunting, गीतमोहितात्. So the hunters, they know, they play some music to attract this harina. They stop there, right? They're listening to it, or they move towards it, go towards it. The hunters know that. So by the attraction of that gita moha, gitasya gitana moha karanat, te bandhane patanti harinaha. Tad drishtva shiksheta, shiksham prapnuyat. Harinat. Looking at that such deer, one should learn, because it has been trapped, caught. Gramya Gitam na shunyad vanacharah kvachit. Yati. Okay. So similar one. नृत्यवादित्रगीतानि जुषन् ग्राम्याणि योषिताम् आसां क्रीडनको वश्य ऋष्यशृङ्गो मृगीसुतः. So that is an example here how the listening to these local songs and all that, one got trapped like that. The example here, नृत्यवादित्रगीतानि जुषन् ग्राम्याणि योषिताम् आसां क्रीडनकः वश्यः ऋष्यशृङ्गः मृगीसुतः. वश्यः ऋष्यशृङ्गः मृगीसुतः. तत्र किं भवति? नृत्यवादित्रगीतानि
हरिणस्य सुतः.
ऋष्यशृङ्ग. Has anybody heard about the ऋष्यशृङ्ग katha?
There are no, katha is not no. ऋष्यशृङ्ग.
महाभारते अस्ति ऋष्यशृङ्ग कथा, रामायणे अपि अस्ति. What happened to ऋष्यशृङ्ग? ऋष्यशृङ्ग मृगीसुतः. He was a ऋष्यशृङ्ग एकस्य ऋषेः मुनेः पुत्रः आसीत्, right? He was never, because he was Mrugi Sutta. Mrugi means Harini Sutta. Pita Muni, Mata Harini Asit, Mrugi. So this ऋष्यशृङ्ग Muni was very tapasvi. He was at his young age, Mrigi means he had a horn on his forehead, like a deer. So
काळवीट असतं ना हॉर्न काळवीटला हॉर्न असतं ना
what is Kalvit?
the one who has the horns.
The deer?
We say in Marathi, I don't know.
Deer. Harina.
Deer.
Harini. So,
who has the horns.
Oh, मोहेंजोदरो शिलालेखे अस्ति खलु एकं चित्रम्
Namaste,
So
Mohenjo-daro.
Rishyashringa's wife was Harini.
Wife means not actually wife, because again all the rishis, when they are doing to the pasa, then tasya tapobhanga bhavati, udreka bhavati, tada kadachit tesham shakti patanam bhavati, tada the harini etc. all these animals sometimes they swikaranam karvati, they garbhavati bhavanti. Tasmad utpannah Rishyashrangah. So he was kept in that Muni's ashrama for like until he became adolescent, like a teenager. And then he was not allowed to go outside. He was not allowed to even see any ladies also, right? So he was living all the time in the ashrama. He had no idea that there is another species or another gender, not species, another gender in this mankind, humans, just a male. He had no idea. So he was, but in the kingdom where he was living, it was attached to a forest, but in the kingdom where he was living, there was a kshama. There was like a, what is a kshama in English? There was no rain, right, for many days, many years.
Oh, drought.
Drought. Many years, no rain. So anavrushti. Tada Rishyashranga, because he was so tapasvi, if he was actually it was Janaka Maharaja, I think, that Janaka Maharaja. You remember this Dasharatha had a daughter, right?
Asha.
Shanta. Shanta, and that the Shanta was given as a Dattaka Putri to Janaka Maharaja. Janaka Maharaja. So Janaka Maharaja initially he had no Putri, and he and Janaka Maharaja, maybe I confused.
Not Janak.
Dasaratha.
Which one?
Dasaratha.
No, Dasharatha had this daughter Shanta, and she was given to, I think, Janaka. Okay, anyway, some
Not
king.
Janaka.
Yeah, I have to find out.
Rishi, I forgot his name.
Some king. So she was given as a Dattaka Putri, not Janaka, I think. Janaka is Sita and all that.
Yeah.
So she was given as a Putri, Dattaka Putri, and in that kingdom, this Kshama was there, or this Anavrushti was there for many years, and the Purohita there said that the Rishyashranga, if he comes here, then there will be Vrushti because of his tapas shakti. Then how to bring him here? So that king sends this Veshyastris and all that to Rishyashranga's Pitu Ashrama, because Rishyashranga was living in his Pitu Ashrama, and he was doing this tapasya, etc. And they went there, and when the father was not there, his father was not around, his father went out for some other work, then they slowly entered that ashrama and with their all the Nritya Gita, etc., they enamored him and attracted him, and he went with them to that kingdom. Okay? And finally, that Shanta was given to him as a patni, and he stayed there forever later. Yeah. But Rishyasringa, but that how he is enamored on Nritya Gita, and yeah, it's a very Shrungaramai Katha asti. Okay? I want to read it in Mahabharata. It's in detail. So Nrityavaditragitane Dushan Gramyani Yoshita Asam Kridanako Vashyah Rishyashringo Mrugisuta Mrugisuta Harinisuta Sa Rishyashringaha Vashyah Bhavat Vashya Tasya Vashya Bhut Asam Kridanakaha. Kridanakaha means, what is Kridanakaha? Krida Vastu, like a toy. Yeah? Yoshitam Asam Kridanakaha Bhavat Yoshitam Nrityavaditra Gitani, Nrityam Vaditram, and that all musical instruments, Gitani, their dance musical instruments and Gita and song, etc. Jushan means Tasmineva Asakta Bhavan, Asakta Bhavan, Asakti Tasya Bhavat, Gramyani Gitani, means they were like these disco songs. Yoshitam means Strinam. Yoshat means Strinam. So all those trees who entered that ashrama, Desham Saha Vashyah Kridanarka Bhavat. Rishyasringa Maha Tapasvi Asit. Parantu Tatsaram Društva Shrutva Katham Abhavat Tasya Stitihi Asam Ityukte Tesham Yoshitam Strinam Vashyah. They are in their Vashya means in their captivity. Kridanaka means toy. Yeah? He was controlled like a toy. Yeah? Rishyashringa.
Like Mrugisataha was Vashya with a Kridanakaha.
Mrugisataha, the Rishyashringa became like a toy in their hands. By listening to and looking at all this Nritya Gita, etc., he became like a toy because they could control him like anything. Like a toy has no its own vicharaha, kimapi na bhavati kopi. Teva nasya vichara shakti nashta abhavat. Viveka shakti. We became controlled by them. Tataiva, so one should also not listen to the Gramya Gitani. So,
Gramya Gitani means Shlila Gitani like this?
Like that. Not Shlila means Shlila like a Daivi Param Nasti.
Not worth of listening.
Not worth listening. Waste. Dhanyawad.
I have information that Dasaratha Putri Shanta was adopted by the Angadeshasya Raja, Romapada.
And Shanta was married to Rishyashringa only.
What was the name? Puna, I remember now. What is the name? Romapada. Correct. Romapada.
Shanta is married to Rishyashringa.
Yes. Romapada, correct. Namaskara.
Please write.
Namaskaraha. Samavaraha.
Write on a name. No.
Right. Okay.
Nomapada.
Romapada.
Romapada.
Angadeshasya.
And Shanta was married to Rishyashringa only.
Rishyashringa. Yeah. Namaskara. Dhanyawad.